Insta360 has been cooking up something big, and at this point, it's barely even a secret anymore. Back in February 2026, Insta360's CEO Liu Jingkang officially pulled back the curtain on the Luna at the company's annual conference in China, revealing a dual-lens pocket camera with a modular design and confirming it would launch in the first half of 2026. Then in April, both the Luna Pro and Luna Ultra showed up at NAB Show in Las Vegas, where select creators got hands-on time with pre-production units, and RedShark News even published sample footage. Within 48 hours of NAB wrapping up, a full spec sheet leaked on social media. By May 9th, the retail box itself had leaked, confirming an OLED detachable remote and dual Leica Summicron branding. Then on May 18th, YouTuber KingMe Mobile dropped the world's first full unboxing of the Luna Ultra Black. And just days later, Insta360 held an exclusive hands-on event at the Leica campus in Germany, with German retailer Photo Erhardt already taking $50 pre-order deposits. The global launch is expected in late June 2026, timed perfectly for the summer travel season, and the FCC certification has already been filed under the code SINSAPTA, meaning US buyers will have no issues getting their hands on one. So yeah, this camera is basically ready to go. And today's video is sponsored by no one. If you want to book this spot, just mail us. Insta360 officially confirmed several key specs at NAB, and more have since been validated through the retail box leak and the Leica campus event. The main sensor is a 1-inch CMOS sensor, the same sensor size class that high-end pocket cameras use, paired with an f1.8 aperture. That's a wide aperture, which means better low-light performance and a more natural background blur. It supports 10-bit iLog color recording with up to 14 stops of dynamic range, which gives you a lot of flexibility when color grading your footage in post. The camera uses a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for stabilization, paired with Insta360's flow state AI stabilization on top of that, so your footage should stay smooth even when you're moving around. One of the most talked about features is the detachable OLED touchscreen remote. The handle of the Luna Ultra can actually be physically removed from the camera body and used as a wireless remote with a live view screen. For solo creators shooting on a tripod or at an angle, this is a genuinely useful feature that no Osmo Pocket currently offers. The camera also has a 2-inch flip and rotate OLED display built in, an AI deep track system powered by a triple AI chip for subject tracking, and it weighs around 150 grams, impressively light for everything it packs in. Beyond what's officially confirmed, the leaked spec sheet that surfaced after NAB and the subsequent retail box and unboxing leaks have filled in most of the remaining picture. The telephoto lens is reported to sit around a 70mm equivalent focal length, while the wide lens is around 18mm. That gives you a natural zoom ratio of roughly 3.9x optical, although this is where things get a little murky. Some leaks have suggested the optical zoom could be as high as 6x, with a hybrid zoom mode pushing all the way to 12x when combined with in-sensor cropping. The retail box confirmed at minimum 6x lossless zoom, but the exact optical zoom figure is still debated. It's one of the few things you'll want to confirm when the official announcement drops. For video, the Luna Ultra is reported to support 4K at up to 240 frames per second for slow motion, 10-bit Dolby Vision HDR output, and the UI shown in leaked images clearly lists 8K as a recording option. Though whether that's available at launch or comes later via a software update is still unclear. The secondary telephoto sensor is believed to be a 1.3-inch unit. Battery capacity sits around 1,500 mAh with around 4 hours of recording at 1080p based on leaked specs. The processor is called the A3 Pro, part of Insta360's triple AI chip architecture that handles everything from tracking to low-light processing. What was actually shown at NAB 2026? NAB was equal parts reveal and tease. Insta360 brought both the Luna Pro and Luna Ultra to their Las Vegas booth, but displayed them behind frosted glass, so you could see the shape and the dual lens layout, but not much else. It was clearly a strategic move to control the narrative and build hype before a proper launch. That said, a few select creators did get real hands-on time with pre-production units. David Manning and Becca Farsace from the content creator community both spent time with the camera and shared early impressions, though most details were kept under wraps. Red Shark News went a step further and published actual footage captured on the Luna Ultra, giving the world its first real look at image quality from the camera. Insta360 also used Anabe to officially reveal the Mic Pro, a new wireless microphone with a customizable e-ink display that integrates directly with Luna cameras via Insta360 Direct Connect. It's clearly designed as a companion product to the Luna series, and it was shown alongside the cameras at the booth. The DJI Osmo Pocket 4P was officially teased at Cannes with a confirmed dual camera system, a 1-inch main sensor paired with a 3x optical zoom telephoto lens on a 1.5-inch secondary sensor. DJI has confirmed 17 stops of dynamic range via a new D-Log 2 color profile, which on paper beats the Luna Ultra's 14 stops. The 4P also comes with a larger 2000 mAh battery compared to the Luna Ultra's 500 mAh, a bigger 2.5-inch rotating touchscreen, and 107 GB of built-in high-speed storage, something the Luna Ultra hasn't confirmed yet. DJI's Active Track 7.0 subject tracking is also a proven, well-regarded system. Where the Luna Ultra pushes back is on zoom reach and form factor innovation. Even at the conservative 3.9x optical estimate, the Luna Ultra matches or slightly beats the Pocket 4P's confirmed 3x. If the more optimistic 6x optical figure is real, it's not even a contest. The detachable wireless remote screen is also something DJI simply doesn't offer, and for a vlogger shooting solo, that kind of flexibility is hard to put a price on. Add in the Leica submicron lenses and their well-regarded color science, and the Luna Ultra makes a serious case for itself on image quality grounds. There's also a critical market factor at play. DJI is currently facing regulatory hurdles in the US, meaning the Pocket 4P may be delayed or restricted for American buyers. The Luna Ultra has already cleared FCC certification and will have no such restrictions at launch. Pricing and when to buy pricing has been partially confirmed through CEO statements and retail leaks. In the US and EU, the Luna Ultra body is expected to come in at around $780, with a creator combo bundle landing closer to $960.